Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. We are here with a new video about a change made by Google in their Gmail app. They have introduced inbox type in their app. So let's see how it works. Open your Google account on your mobile. Here is the account open. Click over here. Go to settings. Here you see inbox type. You can select according to your need. Default inbox or priority inbox. Here it shows the priority inbox and default inbox. You can categorize your emails with this option. So this is the new change made by Google in their Gmail app. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.